Hey garden friends, I thought I'd jump on here again. Anytime I'm doing something and I think about it as it comes along, I thought maybe I would just jump on and and let you know. Here, I have a leftover celery from Thanksgiving that looks like it's seen better days. So instead of just throwing it all out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut at about, if you have a piece like this, give it about, leave about 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches, just like this. And the bottom should look a little bit. And I'm going to put it in a little dish of water, about 1 inch of water, and that's it. And we're going to start working on growing some celery. I'll show back in a couple of days how it looks, and it should start getting a little hard looking on the top, and then we should start growing some celery, okay? So that's a simple thing, and this I'll use for my compost. All right, thanks.